In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using the T84 plus centric calculator. So the question says, what is y-intercept of the line 4y plus 2x equals 12? Okay guys, this question is very simple with the calculator. Now, the very first thing we have to do on the calculator, we need to reset the calculator to put it on a default mode. So to reset, press second button, then this plus button, press 7 for reset, press 1 to reset all RAM, then press 2 and it will do that for you. Alright, so it's done. Press this clear button. Now this question 4y plus 2x equals 12, this is a linear expression, a linear graph, meaning that our graph, we're going to have a straight line graph and not a curved graph. This is a linear expression. Alright, so we're going to work with the equation of a straight line graph, which is y equals ms plus c. So we're going to make y such a formula here. To begin with, these 2s will cross over the equality sign and it will change to negative value. So we're going to have 4y equals 12 minus 2x. Alright, so at this point now, you divide both sides by 4. So when you divide both sides by 4, your y will now be 12 minus 2x, alright, over 4. Okay, so let's plot the graph of 12 minus 2x over 4 on the calculator. Make use of this y equal to button. So you're going to have, now there are two ways you can do this. Alright, you can choose to break down the 4, alright, or you can choose to solve it using 4 as a LCM. Okay, so either way will be correct. So let's solve it when 4 is a LCM. So it's going to be in fraction, press alpha, this window button, then fraction is this. So we have press 1, alright, we're going to have 12, alright, minus 2x, press this button for x, over 4, alright. So basically what I mean is that when you separate the 12 and negative 2x here, alright, when you don't want to use 4 as the LCM, you're going to have 12 over 4 minus 2x over 4, which will give you 3 minus 1 over 2x. Okay, so let's press graph button now to graph this function. So this will give you the solution of the graph. Okay, so as you can see, the y-intercept, which is where the straight line hits the y-axis. So if you look at this, the y-intercept, the straight line is hitting the y-axis at this intersection. Alright, so this should be 3. The correct option this question is option G, which is 3. Alright, to be sure, you can just press second and this trace button for calculation. So go for intersection, option 5, and it will show you the intersection y is equal to 3. Alright, so that's it for this kind of question. Alright, now let me show you guys, in case if you follow this method you still arrive at the same answer. So let's clear this. Alright, second mode button. So let's go back to this. Okay, so we're going to clear everything here. Follow me guys, this is interesting. Alright, so we have, when you separate the values now, alright, so it's going to be 3, okay, minus 1 over 2x. So press alpha and this window button, fraction is here, press 1, okay, 3 minus 1 over 2x. So put x value here. Okay, so this is what we're going to have guys. Let's graph it. You're going to arrive at, here we're doing the y-intercept as well. So you grab this function, you see, at 3 as well. So when you want to confirm, just press second and this trace button. So y intercept 5. So to give you 3. So that's it for this question. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Alright, so let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of my videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I will sure to give you a response. Alright guys, don't forget to hit the calculator once you're done. Just press the second button, this plus button, press 7, press 1 and press 2. Okay, and you will be good to go. Now click on the next screen above and I will see my next video. Thanks for watching.